This is DJI Flip FLY MORE, and today I'll show how you can perform the remote controller calibration on this drone. So to start, you will need to enter the camera view on your RC or remote controller. Next, launch settings by tapping at the three dots you'll find to your top right. Here, select the control category, scroll this page down, and open the RC calibration page. In order to well access the RC calibration, we will first need to power off the aircraft, which I can do by looking at its rear right part, or well, at its rear right side. Press the button once and then press and hold it in order for the aircraft to be switched off. Now it is indeed powered off, so we can once again tap at the RC calibration. Well, let's relaunch the settings so our changes will be recognized, and once again go into the RC calibration. Now here press start and we can begin the RC calibration. So let's begin by calibrating the left control stick. You'll need to get it all the way to the top, to the left, to the bottom, to the right. So just like that. Once you hear a beep, that means that the position is calibrated. You can also, you will also need to calibrate both dials, left and right. So let's do that. Put it in the leftmost position and the rightmost position, and do the same for the remaining dial as well. And now let's also perform the right stick calibration here. And as you can see, the calibration is successful. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.